Good morning, class 6. Today in our GK class, we are going to study about the first Indian woman. So let's begin. The first Indian woman to reach Antarctica was Meher Moose. Children, Antarctica is the southernmost continent of our world. It is mostly covered with ice. That is why it is also called as the snow desert. Okay, Antarctica is also called as snow desert. The second question is first Indian woman to be the Director General of Police. So first Indian woman who became the Director General of Police was Kanchan Chaudhary Bhattacharya. DGP is the most decorated post of our Indian police services, and it is a very high ranking post, and Kanchan Chaudhary Bhattacharya was the first woman to be the DGP of our country. First woman judge of Delhi High Court and first woman to be the Chief Justice of State was Leela Seth. Children, as we all know that we have 25 high courts in our country, and but there is one apex court of our country which is known as the Supreme Court. It is located at Delhi, and Leela Seth was the first woman judge of Delhi High Court, and also she was the first justice of a state. The first Indian woman to receive Ashok Chakra was Neerja Bhanot. Children, Ashok Chakra is the highest gallantry award given to a civilian in a peacetime. We have two categories of gallantry awards. One for the first category is given to the defense personnel, those who are in the defense services of our country. The first category of awards are given to those, and second category of awards is for those who are civilians. जो भी civilians वीरता का प्रदर्शन करते हैं, उन्हें ये सबसे सर्वोच्च जो सम्मान दिया जाता है उसको हम लोग अशोक चक्र बोलते हैं. एंड नीरजा भनोत was the first woman recipient of this Ashok Chakra. She was the head purser of a flight called Pan Am, and the flight was hijacked by a few terrorists, and she helped the passengers of the uh, uh, flight to escape by sacrificing her own life. So the first Indian woman to receive Ashok Chakra was Neerja Bhanot. The first Indian woman to win Miss Universe. The first Indian woman to win Miss Universe was Shushmita Sen. And in which year did she won this award? She won this award in the year 1994. She was the first Indian woman to be entitled with this award, Miss Universe. The first female combat officer commissioned by Border Security Force. Children, the first female combat officer commissioned by Border Security Force BSF was Tanushri Parikh. Children, BSF is one of the paramilitary forces of our country. The soldiers who are deployed in Border Security Force are posted across the borders of our country. And Tanushri Parikh was the first woman to be a combat officer in Border Security Force. And in the picture left of the screen, you can see that our present Defense Minister, Mr. Rajnath Singh, is giving medals to Tanushri Parikh, and in the right side, you can see her in her combat dress. The first woman chief minister of an Indian state was Sucheta Kriplani. So the first woman chief minister of an Indian state was Sucheta Kriplani, and she was the first woman to be the chief minister of which state? The state is our very own state, Uttar Pradesh. The capital of our state is Lucknow, and Ms. Shri Yogi Adityanath is the CM of our state, whereas Shri Anandiben Patel is our governor. So the first woman chief minister of Indian state was Sucheta Kriplani. The first Indian female physician Anandibai Gopal Rao Joshi. The first female physician of our country was Anandibai Gopal Rao Joshi. Okay, next, the first woman to be inducted into the Navy as a pilot. Children, as we all know, there are three main defense services of our country. The first is Army, the second is Air Force, and the third is Indian Navy. Okay, you must have seen many of your fathers must be in army, though, so the uniform of army is olive green in color, and the uniform of air force is the color of the sky, that is blue, and the uniform color of Indian Navy is white. Okay, so Shubhangi Swarup was the first pilot to be inducted in Indian Navy. Okay, now moving on. The first woman honors graduate was Kamini Roy. Children, as we all know, since our ancient time, the education of girl child is not very promoted in our country. But Kamini Roy not only did her schooling, but uh, she acquired her honors degree. She was an honors graduate, एंड ऑल्सो शी इज़ अ वेरी रिनाउंड सोशल वर्कर। इन ये हमारे समाज के लिए भी इन्होंने बहुत अच्छे अच्छे काम किए हैं, और ये पहली महिला थी जिन्हें ये ऑनर्स की डिग्री मिली। उनका नाम था कामिनी रॉय। द फर्स्ट वुमेन गवर्नर ऑफ एन इंडियन स्टेट, ओके, was Margaret Alva. The first woman governor of an Indian state was Margaret Alva. Children, governor and there is a slight difference between a governor and a chief minister. Okay, the the hierarchy is same as we have in our we have, like, our president is similar to, like, we have our president for the whole country. In the same way, we have governor for a state, and same goes for the prime minister. Like, there is a prime minister for our country, in the similar manner we have a chief minister of a state. So a president is the duties and powers of a president is similar to that of a governor, and the duties and powers of a prime minister is similar to that of a CM, chief minister. So the children, the state in which we are living presently is known as Uttar Pradesh. The capital of our state is Lucknow, and the chief minister of our state is Mr. Yogi Adityanath, and the governor of our state is Anandi Bein Patel. You should all learn these names in your you should all, although you must be knowing these names, and for those who are not knowing, they should learn these names. Okay, one should know who is the governor of the state, in which state do you live, and what is the capital of the state. Okay, now moving on. The first woman election commissioner of India. Children, as we know that India is in democratic country, हमारे यहाँ जितने भी ministers होते हैं हम उनको चुन के लाते हैं, ठीक है। Like we have our prime minister, we always elect our prime minister. तो election को conduct कराने के लिए एक different body होती है, ठीक है, जो जिसका काम होता है election को conduct कराना थ्रू आउट द कंट्री, बैलेट बॉक्सेस को अरेंज करना, किसका क्या इलेक्शन सिंबल होता है, उन सारी चीज़ों को डिसाइड करना, नॉमिनेशंस, इन सारे प्रोसेस को कैरी आउट करने के लिए वी हैव अ सेपरेट बॉडी इन आवर कंट्री, एंड द नेम ऑफ दैट that department is election commission, and the first women election commissioner of India was V.S. Ramadevi. Okay, the first women secretary general of Lok Sabha in our state. हम सब ने संसद भवन, पार्लियामेंट हाउस देखा होगा. इट इज़ लोकेटेड इन दिल्ली. सो इट हैज़ टू डिफरेंट हाउसेस, द लोकसभा एंड द राज्यसभा. जिन लोगों को हम लोग वोट देते हैं, ठीक है, दोज हु वी वोट, और यू कैन से दोज हु वी इलेक्ट गोज इनटू लोकसभा, ठीक है. तो लोकसभा इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज द हाउस ऑफ पीपल. So the first women secretary of that Lok Sabha was Snehlata Srivastav. Her name was Snehlata Srivastav. And the first woman cabinet minister in India was Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. cabinet means that the we have a prime minister at the center, ठीक है. प्राइम मिनिस्टर के साथ साथ देर आर ऑल्सो सर्टन अदर मिनिस्टर्स जिनके पास अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव आर डिफेंस मिनिस्टर, होम मिनिस्टर, ऑल राइट, वी हैव आर फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, फॉरेन मिनिस्टर. तो ये जितने भी मिनिस्टर्स होते हैं दे कंस्टिट्यूट व्हाट, दे कंस्टिट्यूट अलॉन्ग विद द दे अलॉन्ग विद द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ अ कंट्री कंस्टिट्यूट द कैबिनेट. ठीक है. इन सब की सहायता, इन सब की जो डिपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अ कंट्री टू रन एफिशिएंटली. तो सबके अपने अलग अलग काम होते हैं. तो इन्हीं जो काम का अलग अलग डिवीजन होता है इसी को हम लोग कैबिनेट कहते हैं. ठीक है. कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर. तो पहली फीमेल जो थी जो कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर थी फ्रॉम इंडिया वाज राजकुमारी अमृत कौर. ओके. So children, go through the video, and if you have any doubt then please let me know. Thank you class.